Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a quick closer look at the official case for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Now, I was not expecting this case to look this nice or feel this good on this device. It actually really surprised me because, sometimes when a phone manufacturer makes a case for their device, whether they include it in the box or not, sometimes, they're just not really that good, or a lot of the times they're really overpriced. They cost a lot more than what they should, except for OnePlus. I think they got some really nice cases, but this one right here is going for 30 bucks on their website. I'll leave a link down in the description below in case you want to check one out for yourself if you did happen to pre-order this device. But it's actually a really nice case. I like that it is a clear case, but not just a clear case. It's got a nice matte finish in the back. So it feels really, really good. It's got a nice soft touch, and it's not going to attract too many fingerprints because of that matte finish back there. And you still get to show off that beautiful backing of your device. And then of course you've got that Google branding right there in the back to let people know that, hey, this is the new Pixel device. But definitely a very nice feeling case. But you know what? Let's go and take a closer look at it. Okay, so taking a closer look at the case on the device itself, look at how good this looks on the phone right here. Like I said, you got a nice matte finish, so it's not going to attract too many fingerprints, and it's really soft to the touch as well. Looking really good. And then you got that Google logo right there, which is kind of like a shiny silver, which really pops out at you. Now, you don't have to get the clear case. They do have other colors available in case this clear matte is not for you. But again, looking really, really nice. Let's go and take a look around the case. So of course, we got cutouts at the bottom for the microphone, the charging port, and the speaker. Now, the buttons are covered over here on the right side to keep those protected, but they are nice and responsive, nice and clicky. Power button, nice and responsive as well. As you can see there, we do have a cutout at the top for the microphone, and then over to the left, nothing here. And then of course, again, at the bottom, we got those cutouts. And then we do have a full-on camera cutout. And what I like here is that we do have it raised on the top and the bottom of the camera all the way from edge to edge. So it's going to keep that camera protected if you happen, to lay your phone flat down on a flat surface like that. And it's going to keep the phone from wobbling as well. So you don't have any weird, awkward stuff going on here with this case where that camera module is. So they did a really good job with that. Now, it's not going to be the most protective case. It is going to give you, some protection, but, don't go throwing your phone, 10 to 20 feet up in the air and expect it to be protected. This is just to give your phone some style, to keep it looking good while still giving it some pretty decent protection. It's not going to fit super tight on the device, although it does snap on pretty good. So as you can see, it's easy to take off, and then you can hear it snapping on the device just like that. So as you can see, it does have a pretty tight fit on the top and the bottom. I would say the only place where it does feel kind of loose is where the buttons are. As you can see there, it does pull out pretty easy, but everywhere else, it's on there pretty tight and secure. So if I kind of just drop it around like this, as you can see, the case is not going to fall off of the phone. So it's on there secure enough to where if you do accidentally drop this, and it is also a hard back. So let me go ahead and take it off here. So as you can see, we do have a little bit of flex, but for the most part, it is a hard back, which I really, really like. So it doesn't feel like those cheap, plastic rubberized cases. It actually feels really, really good. Again, really nice. And it also works with wireless charging. So let me get the wireless charger over here. Look at that. Wireless charging just started up. Let's do it again. Boom. So wireless charging is a go when it comes to this case right here. Let's take another close look. Look at how good it looks on this device. Again, it's going for around 30 bucks on their website. I will have a link down in the description below in case you do want to check it out for yourself. Let's take a look at the display here. Got a little bit of raise on the top and the bottom. So if you happen to accidentally drop your phone flat down on a flat surface like that, or, just set it down on a flat surface, it is going to keep that display, a little raised so you don't, accidentally scratch it or get any damage or anything like that. So you should be good to go with this case. Like I said, if you don't want anything super, super bulky, you just want to keep your phone looking good. You still want to show off that backing right there, but you do still want some type of protection. This is definitely going to be a good case to go with. I definitely got to give props to Google for this case right here. I think they did a pretty good job. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. What do you think about this case right here? Did you already order one for yourself, or were you planning on it? Maybe you're just waiting to, see some reviews on it. Let me know down in the comment sections below. I can definitely recommend it if you're not looking for anything too crazy. You just want to keep your phone, decently protected and keep it looking good. Again, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you did like this video, leave it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.